Hi guys, this is Mwalimu Bafaki. Grow your business without limits. Now, in this very video, we're going to talk about how to increase customer inflow into your business. Now, do you find it a problem, to increase the customer inflow? This video is really made for you to sort your problem. Now, in my previous video, I talked about how to make 100,000 Ugandan shilling profit per day. Now, if you didn't watch that video, the link is down there in the description section. So please go watch that video, how to make 100,000 per day from a retailing grocery business. Now, how do you do that? You must make sure that your customer inflow is really high. You have a lot of customers. Now, you're making sales which are really huge. Now, how do you increase your sales and how do you increase your customer inflow? Everything is really made in this very video. Now, if you're new to this platform at Mwalimu Bafaki, kindly make it a point to hit the subscribe button down there so that you're not missing out any other video whenever I upload. Make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end. Today we're going to talk about two very important factors that determine the increase of the customer inflow. Two very important factors. Number one, if you're dealing in food produce, now this is what you need to think about. The number one factor, the number one tip, you must deal in good quality products. That is very important. That is a key factor. You must deal within quality good products, because customers always want items, products which are really nice. For example, if you're selling rice, make sure that the quality you're bringing to your shop is really good quality. Make sure that if you're selling maybe beans, do not find the beans which are full of bean weevils. Please try to find beans which are fresh. Get them to your shop. For example, customers always find it difficult to cook very hard beans. Now, if you find them fresh beans, it is easier for them to cook, you understand, since they want to save, the energy on charcoal. That's what I mean. So now make sure you create this point in such a way that you're finding, whenever you go to the market, you're finding good quality produce. Now the number two factor is you must have fair prices. Now, the whole deal is on this point. The whole deal, is on this point. You must sell at fair prices depending on your competitors. Now, if you cannot practice this, then you're out of business. However much you have good quality product, but you're not selling it at fair prices, then you will not find customers. You will not find customers. Customers are always attracted by fair and cheap prices. For example, always be keen to find out what is the prevailing price in the market. Then when you're setting the prices, make sure you're a little bit lower than your competitors. For example, even 100 margin is enough. For example, these ones are selling 5,000 a kilo of rice. Now, of course, let's imagine they're selling it 5,200 a kilo of rice. And now, for you, if you can set a price that is slightly lower than their price, then you're good to go. Do not aim at making too much profit. You want to make too much profit, and in the end, you make less sales, which determine less profit. Now, when you make when you aim at less profits, you make too much sales, and of course you end up making too much profit. That's how you can make 100,000 profit and plus per day as profit. Okay, now I hope these two very important factors are going to help you, to you who has been, finding it difficult, to increase the customer inflow. Now lastly, that you must practice is customer care. Customer care encompasses a lot of things. Number one, good tongue. Your workers, make sure that your boys, your servants, your workers, when they are working, teach them how to talk to customers. That is very important. How to talk to customers is very important. It's very key. Okay, and make sure you have also, after sale products. Like you give a Kavera for parking. You don't just give customers things in their hands and they go. As long as you see you can pass, please give them. That is also a very important factor. Now, train your employees on how to deal with the customers. When you practice these ones, please, you will be good to go. Okay, now make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you're new to this channel, kindly make it a point, hit the subscribe button so that you're not missing out any other business tips whenever I upload. I love you so much. May God bless you.